I'm sure you've heard the news. Underwater maintenance is the unsung hero of ship longevity. Regular underwater maintenance ensures your ship's structural integrity. It prevents corrosion, damage, and wear, keeping the hull in top condition. And guess what? This care prolongs your vessel's lifespan, sparing you from costly replacements and unexpected downtime. But that's not all. Clean hulls mean less drag, which translates to better fuel efficiency. You'll sail faster and save money at the pump. Plus, addressing issues early enhances operational safety, reducing the risk of accidents and environmental spills. So don't let your ship's potential sink. Invest in underwater maintenance today and keep your vessel sailing strong for years to come.